Districts opting for traditional snow days, giving students the chance to have a few more days of winter break.
Oh, nice. But when will kids head back to class? This week, several schools have used non-traditional instruction, also known as NTI days.
Tyler Melito is live in Winchester with how Clark County Public Schools is weighing its options.
Currently, there is no timeline for when kids will actually be back in class in person, but judging by the roads this morning here in Clark County, they are certainly still very slick and some potential for some more icy spots with temperatures continuing to drop and more snow on the horizon. So after having two traditional snow days earlier in the week, they're now opting for an NTI day today. And this is a decision that Superintendent Dustin Howard says isn't one that comes up just by a flipping of a coin. They are made with careful consideration of a number of factors, including guidance from local meteorologists, assessing road conditions to ensure teachers will be able to make it to work, and the threat of families losing electricity is minimal. Howard says during the first couple days post-winter storm Blair, he and his team wanted to ensure families in Clark County were taken care of and everyone was safe. Now, he and his team are hoping to get back to a sense of normal with consideration of any burden caused by at-home learning.
We're not going to ask them to do any kind of new material or content that has not been covered. Really, for us, it's about can they have access to it? Most of our work is packets, so that was delivered home back in October. So it's not, again, it's a good review for them to get them back on track. But again, the reason why we initially went to snow days is because it was treacherous. We were under a state of emergency, frankly. And, you know, when we have power out, we don't want that to be the worry and burden on our families.
Howard says teachers and administrators will be in the building, assuming it is safe to do so. They already got crews out here blowing off sidewalks and trying to plow the parking lots the best they can at the various facilities here in Clark County. And we mentioned a short while ago how some schools opting for NTI days all week, other schools have been traditional snow days all week, and like here in Clark County, a little bit of a mix between snow and NTI days. So how do all these schools try to make sure that they line up and will all finish on the same time and no district falls behind? Well, I'll have a little bit of insight on that coming up in the next hour. Live in Clark County, Tyler Melito, Fox 56 News.